Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, let's discuss about the asset dashboard. So under the assets, we have the dashboard from where we can easily find the details related to the asset module. So this view is restricted to only employees with for permission. So here the admin will be able to view all the details. So from here we have the assets, which shows the total number of assets in the company, and then we have the asset request, which shows the number of asset requests that are yet to be processed. And next we have assets in use. So this basically shows the number of assets that are currently being used by the employees. And then we have the asset chart. So this is a pie chart which displays the details of available, not available, and in use assets. So here we can view in detail using this pie chart. That is, we have the in use assets 99 and not available asset 36 and available assets 58. So we can easily view the details using this pie chart. And then we have the asset request to approve. That is, these are the requests that was created by employees for assets. So here the admin will be able to view the asset request from the dashboard itself, and to view the more details he can click on this, and he'll be able to view the details of the asset request created by the employees. So we can view the employee name, the department, his job position, and the requested date, category, and the request description also. So after viewing all the details, if he needs to allocate the asset to the employee, he can click on approve. Otherwise, he can reject the request. So like this, he can manage the asset request from the dashboard itself. And then we have the assets in use, where we can it shows the number of assets that are currently being used by the employees. And we'll be able to view the assets in different categories that are currently in use. So we can see the laptops. Currently, 25 laptops are in use, and then we have the headphones. We can see currently 24 headphones are in use. Similarly, we'll be able to view the assets in different categories that are in use. And then we have the allocated assets. So here it shows the employees and their allocated assets and the assigned date also. From this table, we can view all the details of the allocated assets. So this is the dashboard of the asset. So hope it is clear, and thank you for watching.